Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on the new mascara by Pixi. This is larger or large lash mascara, and I thought we would just have a little demo of it and see where it goes. So we'll curl lashes and we'll give it a go. I always think with mascaras you kind of know, don't you, quite early on if a mascara is going to be good. And I don't have particularly, I mean, they're pretty shit, my lashes. They really are. They're not particularly good at all. They're actually quite dreadful, especially the lower lashes. There's like 3. So let's have a look at this mascara. So this is the wand. So a very standard looking wand, but I actually think that this will probably be a pretty good mascara. Let's have a little looky. So I'm going to apply it. I always think that when you're applying mascara, other than the fact that I find it really hard to apply it to myself without getting it on my skin. So that's one coat. I actually think that's really nice. So what I was saying is there's actually a lot of product on a wand. And what I tend to do is I apply the mascara over one single section, so from lash inner to lash outer. Then I turn the mascara wand and I start again, because then you've got the mascara on all the other sides. So you don't need to re-dip all the time, because there's still a lot of mascara left on a wand. That's a really good mascara. What do you think? I think that's a really good mascara, and we haven't even wiggled yet to try and get any extra sort of width. That's pretty good. That's a great mascara. Pixi by Petra, large lash mascara. That is a great mascara. Let's just do the other side. With this side, I'm just going to give it a little bit of a wiggle. I always think that when you wiggle it, it's either going to make the lash or break the lash. And my lashes, in general, don't do very well when you kind of wiggle it, because they just get really thick and clumpy really quickly. But that's a great mascara. No point denying the truth. That's one single coat. I'm not even bothering doing any more. That's a great mascara. That is a really good mascara. Link in the description bar. What do you think? Let's just do one more coat. I think that is really, really good. Let's have a look. Let's just get rid of that little bit on the end. Oh, this is that's a great mascara. A couple of bits on the end, but I can get rid of those with a spoolie. It's a good mascara. Bloody lovely. Let me know what you think. Link in the description, and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.